Welcome to Techstination. Joining us are Leonid, Pirogovsky, and Aviva Gat with a company called Nutricco. Thank you for joining us, Leonid and Aviva.
Thank you very much, Fred, for having us here.
Yes, thank you.
And Leonid is the CEO and co-founder. Aviva is the head of business development at the company. Let's start out talking about what Nutricco is all about. What's this company doing?
So we established Nutricco about 2 years ago, and our main purpose is to give people the power to manage their health by themselves. And we are focusing on the nutrition, allowing people to manage their nutritional balance simply and conveniently. We provide them simple tools to do so. We started this company as a motivation to solve the problem that exists currently in the supplement market, which is totally not personalized and provides a lot of different solutions to different people, and people consume and spend a lot of money without really understanding what they are getting out of it. And our solution is based on 3 main components, which provides, first of all, the clear understanding of your current nutritional balance through the app and our algorithm. Our algorithm provides personalized recommendations for healthy nutrition. But if you can't follow this recommendation, as many people really struggle to do so, we allow people to get their personalized mix of supplements and to make their own decisions by themselves.
Aviva, tell us what you mean by personalized supplements.
Right. So today there's a lot of people who take supplements. They take a multivitamin because it's quote unquote healthy, or they take omega-3 because they read an article somewhere that said maybe they need omega-3, or maybe they take calcium because someone said that they should take calcium, but they're not really basing these decisions on their personal needs, their own body, their data, their own diet. So we want to make sure that people are doing this. They're not just taking random vitamins, they're not taking random supplements that they don't actually need, because that's, first of all, it's a waste of money to take stuff that you don't need. And second of all, it can be bad for you. You have different vitamins that don't interact well together. Or if you have too much of a specific vitamin, it's also not good for you. So we want everybody to take only specifically the vitamins and nutrients that they need. So what we're working on is giving people the way to know what they need, because that's obviously the first challenge in being able to take what you need, is knowing exactly what you need. So if you know what you need, then it's much simpler to be able to take only the vitamins that you need. So that's really what we are working on with personalization.
So this is a device more or less like something like a coffee maker, I guess in size it looks like, that would sit on a countertop in, I assume, perhaps a kitchen, and connect to a smartphone. And inside this device are stored various supplements?
Yes, it is. One of the components is a device, which is a smart dispenser, which is connected to the app. And this device stores the supplements you and your family need. The device can manage various profiles, so the solution is not only for one person, but for all the household. Meaning the person can manage his diet and get his personalized recommendations based on his tracking and personal current status. But if there are some habits that are managed by his children or his somebody who he's taking care of, it could be managed as well from the same device. So you don't need to buy and purchase 2 devices. Our AI-based algorithm predicts what will be the future nutritional gaps of the people based on their habits. And that way we provide the inventory of the supplements they will need. And that way the subscription works all over again.
Are there subscriptions that are needed? These are for the supplements. Subscriptions that are needed for each individual, or does the subscription cover the full needs of a household?
It depends on the package, but it can cover all the needs of the household. The idea is to move the shelf of the different pharmacy shops in the world to the people's home, to bring only the supplement they need when they need, in the amount they need them. So we provide it to people's home. It is the off-the-shelf supplements. It is not something that we produce. We just work with the approved suppliers. And we provide personalized mix of supplements based on people's diet.
Aviva, tell us about the partnerships with the different supplement makers, perhaps, that you've been working on, and how you'll bring this to market, how this gets in people's homes.
Yeah, so basically we work with suppliers that make the vitamins, so that way we're not actually making the vitamins, we're already working with trusted companies that have experience in this, and they make the vitamins, and we work with them to supply the vitamins directly to our customers. So for example, if our customers, they have the vitamins in their dispenser, and let's say they are running low on omega-3 or something like that. And so instead of our customers having to worry about ordering more, since our smart dispenser understands when you're running low, because it knows obviously how many pills have been consumed, it will automatically order more from the supplier, and the supplier will bring the vitamins directly to the customer's home. So that's how we work with the vitamin suppliers, and we'll have different suppliers in different areas. So that way, it's people that are it's close by and local if we're in different countries as well. And so how we're bringing this to market right now, we have the dispenser ready. We'll be launching it at CES, showing everybody our new dispenser. And we'll have also the app working, so people can be able to test it out at our booth. If you want to come visit us at Eureka Park, booth 51701. And from there, we're going to start launching a pre-order of our device and the subscription. So if anybody is interested, we're starting to take orders right now on our website for people who would be interested in the pre-orders. And then when we'll launch the pre-order, people can sign up, and then hopefully we'll be launching the subscription and be selling the machines in 2020. So that's the plan right now for bringing it to market.
And you're aiming this strictly at the supplements, using supplements, not other medications that people might be taking, right?
Currently, no, but it's definitely on our roadmap of the product strategy. In the future, we will expand our solution, but currently focusing only on the wellness market, allowing people to personalize this specific space of nutrition and supplements consumption. But in the future,
is there an age range or a particular type of consumer you think will be your primary customer?
We are focusing on the people who are tech savvy and can use this technology in a very easy way. So we are targeting people who are around 30 plus, but we are not limiting anyone who wants to try, can try it.
Yeah, I believe that our main target market is more people in the 30s, 40 ranges, people who are already consuming a lot of supplements on their own. We're not trying to encourage more people to just start taking supplements. We're really encouraging healthy lifestyles. So it's people that already have an interest in their health and in supplements, and we want to help them improve their use of supplements.
It's a very big market, as you've pointed out.
Yes.
Tell us when this will be available and the pricing.
We expect to have it available during 2020. The subscription cost, the device cost is around $400, and subscription will be $50 per month, which includes everything. All the supplements you will consume is part of this price, and this is the answer.
Well, tell us the backstory here, Leonid, as a co-founder. I don't know what your background is, but how this happened, how this got started.
Sure, thank you. So actually, I worked for years in the pharmaceuticals and the supplements industry in different positions in global companies and startups. And there we realized actually how not personalized this supplement market is. And we saw how people consuming without really understanding and spending huge amount of money on the supplements. And in the best case, it is just a waste of money. And in certain cases, it could be even dangerous for one's health. When we saw this problem, and after leading the previous company, which called Enzymotech, together with my co-founder, we decided to try to solve this problem of personalization in the supplements market. And we developed Nutricco as a part of this solution. And we saw that the lacking link is actually at people's home when because you have a huge variety of supplements in the market. You have like 55,000 supplements registered in the US market. And this market is about $40 billion only in US and constantly growing. About 80% of people in US consume supplements. So it's huge. And they do it in not always the right way. So we are providing them the lacking link, which is in their home, to provide them exactly what they need, in the amount they need it, when they need it, and providing them the tool to make their own decision about what to consume. So this is the main idea, to connect the knowledge and the data in a very simple and convenient way, because people will not use something that is complicated. So we provide the access to understanding your personal status, to understand what you are missing, and giving the tool and the recommendations for closing the nutritional gap in every day, whenever you are.
So on top of everything else at the Consumer Electronics Show that you're displaying this for the first time, you are part of Last Gadget Standing, and you can use the public support in that, right?
Yes, exactly. And thank you for reminding it. We are competing, and we would love people who like our solution to go into the Last Gadget Standing competition, and we are listed there in their homepage, and to vote for us. And we are currently in one of the top positions, and we want to win. And we believe we will do that.
Terrific. And for more on Nutricco, the website is nutricco.com. Aviva Gat and Leonid Pirogovsky, thanks for taking the time with us.
Thank you.
Now this. How many companies out there have continued to innovate when it comes to building a better radio? I'm Fred Fishkin, host of Techstination, and I'm here to tell you about the new CC Skywave SSB radio from the wonderful people at C-Crane. Bob and his crew really love radio, and it shows in this new compact model that is packed with features. Beyond great AM and FM reception and sound, you can tune into shortwave signals from around the world, listen to ham radio operators, aviation, and more. It's the radio you'll turn to every day, and in emergencies. It will run for nearly 3 days on just 2 AA batteries. Pair the sleep timer with the new Soft Speaker 3, and you've got the perfect radio for your nightstand. Of course, it can wake you up too. Click on C-Crane at Techstination.com and put in the code Techstination for a free flashlight with your order. They love radio, and you'll love C-Crane.